how to add captions to YouTube videos. Now that's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video, so let's get started right away. Now the very first thing you have to do is you have to firstly go to the YouTube Chrome browser and then search for the youtube.com, and after that you come to this page, and then you have to simply click on the three dots in the top right corner, and then you can request the desktop site by clicking on this desktop site, and then you can do this in both Android and iOS, so don't worry about that. And after that you have to click on the you have to click on the your profile picture in the top right corner, and then you have to long hold the YouTube studio, you can see. And then you have to click on the open in new tab in group, and after that you can see in the bottom two YouTube icon, you have to go through the second icon, and then this page will opens. So what you have to do is you have to go to the this content. When you go to the content, then what you have to do is you have to choose any of the video that you want. Let's see, I choose this video, and then you have to click on the edit. When you click on the edit, then here you can see this it will opens in this form, but in the right side you can see the subtitles in the screen or cards, but you have to click on the subtitles. When you click on the subtitles, then here you can upload a file. So what you have to do to upload file, you have to click on the upload file, and then here you can see the with timing or without timing, and then you can choose the file. And you can also do auto sync, so you have to click on the auto sync, and then you can start typing the words that you want. You can also choose type manually, and you can type the caption, and then you can also set the timings of your captions to show. So that's it, that how you can do this. And after that you have to click on the done, and your subtitles, you have added the subtitle captions to YouTube videos. If you found this video helpful, I appreciate if you subscribe to my channel, like on this video, and comment below that it works. Have a good day.